the first Prius will have the same quality as number 200. You want to make a new service, change your software, new service rolls out consistently high level, hopefully consistently high level. Okay? Automation is the thing that will bring us to a consistent level of service and will allow us to deliver new services more efficiently and more quickly. But there is one other thing that we have to talk about. Standardizations. Whose technology are we going to use? You know? Which hardware, which storage will we use? Which virtualization technology will we use? Will I use fiber channel? Will I use Ethernet? Will I use fiber channel over Ethernet? I have some answers, okay? I think you should use EMC, you know? This is fairly obvious. But I can push. I'll give you a good price, and I'll give you a great technology. But at the end, it's the customer who makes a decision. Do you remember the war over video? There was VHS and Betamax. Remember? Some of you mightn't be old enough to remember. Only two. VHS and Betamax. Do you remember which technology was better? Did same feeling over here? Betamax was a better technology? Maybe, maybe not. There was big companies behind Betamax, and there was big companies behind VHS. Why did VHS win? Any idea? Not? Maybe. I've never thought of that as a reason. Let's go back to the that's my next slide. It basically because people were able to buy it. The customer bought it. It was available on the shelves, so it became the standard. It wasn't a standard because somebody pushed it. It became a standard because you picked it. It's the same with our stuff. I'll show you EMC stuff. It's brilliant. Take it, you know. But unless it's got some advantage that you need, it's not going to happen. You know. I have a wonderful technology, but unless you pick it, it's not going to be the standard. So let me go back to VHS and Betamax. VHS has won. It's now the standard. Okay. I make Betamax videotapes. What do I do now? Nobody wants Betamax. What am I going to do with my business? I have two choices. I can either move to VHS, or else I can get out of business. It's very, very simple. If the customer picks a standard, you must go with it. Otherwise, you're making Ferraris. You're making. I suspect that there is Betamax people out there still with a Betamax machine and a Betamax tape, and they're saying, "But it's better. It's better." It is, yeah. But you know, welcome to today. You know, VHS is gone. It's DVD. It's not even DVD anymore. It's hard drive recording. You know, so time to move on. You either get with the standard or you get out. It's very, very simple. So, who's the standard at the moment? 10 years ago, the standard for IT was Microsoft. You know, Microsoft is it. Microsoft is the biggest IT company in the world today, with market capitalization. They're around 250 billion. Who's the second biggest IT company in the world? Cisco? Anybody else? Apple. The two biggest IT companies in the world are not enterprise products, they're consumer products. This is how times are changing. Inside in our data centers, we have people backing up information on tape. When's the last time you saw tape in your house? Nobody uses tape anymore. VHS and Betamax, that war is gone. You know? The consumer is overtaking the IT businesses as being the leader in technology. It's fascinating. Today, they understand about virtualization. They can buy a Windows machine, they can buy an Apple, they can buy an iPad, an iPhone, and they don't really care. They don't care the differences because they can access the internet, they can get at their email, they can get at their photographs. It doesn't make any difference what machine they use. You know? They know about backing up their data, they know about protecting it with little USB drives. There's lots of different ways. But anyway, what I'm trying to get at here is that automation and standardization is what will help us evolve the industry. part of this standardization will be products. We believe that we have some of the products that will be the standard in the future. We might be wrong, but we're willing to put our money on it. So, in the briefing centre in Ireland, we meet maybe 400, maybe 500 customers every year, and 100% of those customers are VMware users. There are other customers using the other virtualization technologies. There's a small company, Microsoft, that have a little virtualization technology. You know, other people, our customers are using them as well. But 100% of them are using VMware. We didn't pick this. We bought the technology. Our customers have chosen it as a standard. We're very happy about this. But, you know, we can't push it. It's the customers who are picking it. So we're quite happy about that. Will it be the standard in the future? Quite a lot of our customers are saying yes, we want it to be the standard. So we'll see. We have to keep looking into the future. What about the other standards that are out there? What's the most popular chip? What's the most popular processor today? The Intel processor. Is it the best processor available? Yes. Again, we can debate. You know, is it mainframe? The mainframe guy sitting in the background here saying, my mainframe is running for 20 years and it's still performing really well. That's a good processor. You know, I can't argue. You know, he's the mainframe guy. He's been right before and he's still right. You know, is Intel the best processor in the world? I don't know, but it's certainly the most popular. Microsoft use it, Apple uses it, Cisco uses it, HP, Dell, IBM, everybody's using Intel processors. We're doing the same. We agree. It might not be the best processor in the world, but it's certainly the most flexible for us. So we're standardizing on Intel. We think it is the thing that will bring us into the future. We'll see. Our customers are agreeing with us. So, you know, I don't know. Do you see the mainframe market growing? No. It's not. Our customers have 2 mainframes and that's it. They've had 2 mainframes for 10 years and they'll continue to have 2 mainframes for the next 10 years. It's not growing. It's the Ferrari. They have their Ferrari in the corner of the room. It does something special, but they're not growing that. Everything else is growing. So, this is my vision of the IT industry today. Moving from manual to automatic through standardization and automation. Again, let me just check. Is this crazy talk, or is it okay? It's okay? All right. Our customers agree with me. They say, yes, we are on a journey. Most customers will say, you know, at the end of the journey, there's some sort of cloud where I can deliver services quickly. It might mean that some of my stuff is up in the internet, some of my stuff is in a data center. That's not really important. If a customer comes and says, I want to run a new application, you need to provide infrastructure for me so I can run a new application. When we get to fast service delivery, the customer is able to say, you want a new service? Here you go, there's 10 servers. Storage, infrastructure, network, bandwidth, it works. 10 servers, away you go, no problem. At the moment, today, you have to buy things manually. That's what our customers are looking at. They want to be able to deliver services like the way Google delivers services. So, you know, we have this idea that when we say cloud, it's all Google and internet and all this kind of thing. It really just means fast service delivery. How fast does it take you to sign up for a Gmail account? Seconds. How fast does it take an infrastructure, a company, how fast will it take them to put in a Microsoft Exchange environment? Months. You design it, you